What's up, everybody? We're out here in the beautiful San Lorenzo Valley, and we are down here at a local park. As you can see, picturesque, absolutely beautiful. We're here is because I wanted to show people that you could do real world 3D mapping and 2D mapping using a very entry-level drone. So I brought my Mini 3 here, and we flew an autonomous mission over the parking lot of this park for the purposes of mapping it and rendering a map, which I will show to you guys a little bit later. And the purpose is, one, to show that it is possible, but two, a lot of people don't realize that these entry-level small drones can be programmed to fly autonomous flight routes and various autonomous image captures. So the cool part about that is if you have a construction project or some other thing, we can actually map that in real time and then render that using computer software and create a very realistic, very high detail map. And depending on the flight model, we can actually create 3D images and renderings of real world objects in pretty high detail. And why that's important is, construction companies, insurance companies, you name it. There are multiple ways to inspect property and reasons to inspect property and locations in high detail that we can actually do without risking real world pilots or without risking people and their safety. And you're probably wondering, what does this have to do with law enforcement training? And the answer is nothing really. I just really like drones. I think they're cool. I think that that's a crazy technology, that you can have an autonomous robot that flies in the sky and scans and captures real environments that can be rendered digitally. I think that's cool stuff. On top of that, I think it's super useful to the world, right? I mean, this is something that used to require tens of thousands of dollars in expensive LiDAR equipment to do. And now you can do it with a $700 drone and some monthly subscriptions. Now, there is some catches to that. Obviously, you got to have a Part 107. And depending on what you're doing, you need to have much nicer equipment. But overall, I think it's a really cool technology. I'm not gatekeeping it at all, right? We do make money doing this, but I don't care. Honestly, I think if people want to use our service, they'll pay for it. Not because we're the only people that know how to fly drones, but because we offer a good product, we got good customer service, and likable people, I guess. And if not, well then I'll keep working as a cop. And for those of you who are wondering where I'm at, somewhere in the San Lorenzo Valley, just know that I'm not going to share that location because I moved here for a reason. And as you can see, we get some elevation mapping from this data as well. And we have some 3D rendering. Obviously, as we get closer, the detail is not as good. If we were to do more than one pass, lower the altitude and slow down a little bit, we would get much higher detail. And we also get a dense point cloud of spheres from the photographs that we took. Well, that's about it on the mapping. Let me know if you guys want to see more content about 3D mapping and autonomous drone flight with entry lower level drones.